Homelessness is an issue that affects every community across the country. Here in the Sunshine State alone, thousands of people lack the resources that many of us take for granted. The Open Door, a drop-in center located in Eustis, provides a one-stop shop for essential services and desperately needed amenities. Amenities like showers and laundry facilities, a mailing address, phone access, and help finding employment. We shared this story last year about the Open Door, which is operated through a joint partnership between Lifestream Behavioral Center and the Lake County Community Foundation.
My husband Jennings and I were riding around Lake Gracie. We saw a young woman sitting by the lake. She wanted so badly to take a shower and have a room somewhere. So we went to all the motels in this end of the county. None would give her a room even for cash because she had no ID. It hit so hard that there would be people like this that had nowhere to go. B.E. Thompson came to mind because I knew he was with Lifestream.
Lifestream operates the Open Door. The staff are Lifestream employees. The Open Door is a place where the homeless can come during the day. They can get basically everything that they would be able to get in an emergency shelter other than overnight shelter.
So I've been homeless for about 2 years now, so off and on, staying with friends, back and forth, and that's what led me to being homeless. I hoping that it was gonna help me find like a shelter or a place like that, or like they're doing now, giving me help with showers and food and stuff like that.
They need a shower. They need a place to wash and dry their clothes. They need the use of a telephone. They need something to eat, a mailbox or an address. They need services.
Our goal is to increase individuals' income, whether that's through benefits that they're entitled to receive, or whether that's providing access to employment and training opportunities or education.
Well, they motivated me to get a job and do extra stuff like get my Social Security card, my food stamps, and every day I came in, they gave me courage to do better.
The success of the Open Door is represented in numbers. For example, this past fiscal year, we served 463 individuals and families at the Open Door and provided just over 16,000 services. And we have some great success stories for individuals who go back out into the community and be productive members of society.
I went online, I got my job, and I started today at Wendy's, so I'm so happy about that.
They come in a lot of times just completely stripped of everything, and slowly but surely we're able to help individuals turn their lives around.
We are looking forward to a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week shelter that we desperately need.
The next step is getting me somewhere to stay and getting more involved with my kids, getting to know myself a little bit more. So without those people, I don't know how far I would have got, and I really appreciate that.
You have an opportunity to help the Open Door by becoming an event sponsor for their annual Soup for Good fundraiser on September 10th at 6 o'clock in the evening at the Life Point Church in Eustis. Soup for Good attendees will dine on a variety of soup selections provided by local restaurants while raising money for a good cause. You'll find a link to more information on the Open Door and Soup for Good when you click the News of Note tab on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.